Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create multiple YouTube channels with one Google account. But before that, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. Go to youtube.com. From here you have to go to your profile and click YouTube Studio. Now you have to click continue and go to settings. On your settings, go to channel and just click on advanced settings. Scroll down and click manage YouTube account. Okay, it will direct you to this page, and under your name you can see create a new channel and just click on that. Once you click on that, it will ask you to add your channel name. So just please add the channel name of your choice and click this box. Click create, and now the new YouTube channel has been created. You can switch back to your multiple YouTube channels from time to time. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.